Are you thinking about laying wood look tiles? But do you also like the herringbone pattern? This is the one that's interlaced like this. Today I wanted to show you a series, which is the 𝐓𝐢𝐦𝐞𝐥𝐢𝐧𝐞 series by Cerlat, ideal for placing wood look tiles in a herringbone pattern. I'm not sure if you can see it here, but I'll show you with two other pieces. Simply placing a tile in a herringbone pattern means placing it like this, making an L shape, and then the whole floor arrangement starts to look like an arrow. Well, this 𝐓𝐢𝐦𝐴 series comes in two colors. Actually, it is the Ceilán. Maryland and very beautiful. Yeah. It has a natural finish in oak, which looks really cool. Also, it comes in a small plank format, which looks nice. It is a porcelain tile, so we can use it indoors and outdoors. It works for flooring and walls. It's important to use a special adhesive cement for porcelain tiles. Usually, they're classified as C2T. Cement, improved cementitious adhesive with no vertical slip. That's what C2T means. Okay. And there are several ways to apply it. Either as you see here where it's being staggered. It's important that the stagger does not exceed 20% of the piece. In this case, it doesn't matter much because it's a small piece. But if it were a large piece, it would be very, very important. It might even affect the product warranty because if it's staggered too much, tiles tend to warp less and less, but they always warp a little, so they tend to have bows and then gaps of more than 20%. You can lay them edge to edge, meaning all the tiles in the same direction, edge to edge. Just now we were talking about laying them staggered. We can lay them edge to edge, or we can lay them in a herringbone pattern. Well, this was the series I wanted to show you, which is available on the website, the Ceilán model, which in this case is from Cerlat. I'll explain in another video, the one we'll do right after this, what we do with Cerlat.